Where is district magistrate?
He is present, your lordship. If your lordship would like to see the order sheet, my lord.
No, he doesn't know how to transmit the papers or cases relating to. Why he has communicated to the assistant registrar of this court?
May I explain, your lordship? My lord, actually, my lord, while filing, if your lordship will see, my lord, the receipt of the notice at the top of the memo of appeal.
Where is that?
At the top, it used to be at the top, my lord, after the green paper.
Top of what?
That memo of appeal, your lordship.
Memo of appeal.
Memo of appeal. LPA memo of appeal. No. At the top, notice, your lordship, kindly. Yes. Your lordship will not find, my lord, service of copy to AG.
Huh?
Copy of service to AG is not there.
So what?
And that's why, my lord,
He has to communicate only through the office of the Advocate General.
Yes.
He has no business.
Yes, your lordship. For that, my lord, he has expressed apology, my lord. And why he, my lord, directly communicated to the registry is this. That, my lord, when this order was communicated to the district magistrate concerned, he inquired from the AG office. AG office said that this LPA number so-and-so has not been allotted to anybody because copy has not been served to the AG office. Thereafter, my lord, since Mr. Khurshid Alam, my lord, AAGW happens to be the advocate on record on behalf of the AG in writ petition, that's why he contacted office of Mr. Khurshid Alam.
Those are all things, internal communication.
Yes.
Between you, office of the Advocate General and district magistrate.
This is the explanation on behalf of the district magistrate that since, my lord, he was said no brief has been allotted to any Sarkari Vakil. Thereafter, my lord, Khurshid Alam.
Then you should have approached the office of the Advocate General.
Yes, and that's why to maintain the majesty of the court, your lordship, and to comply the order.
No.
In good faith, he has communicated.
We will not tolerate this type of behavior by the.
For that, my lord, he has. For that,
if he doesn't know simple thing that he has to contact the office of the Advocate General,
he had contacted, your lord.
then ask him to file an affidavit.
It has been said, your lord.
Ask him to file an affidavit.
Affidavit has been filed.
Office of the Advocate General refused to accept.
No.
Then
it was disclosed to the district magistrate, my lord, that this case has not been, copy of the brief has not been served to AG office, and that's why it has not been allotted.
Probably office of the Advocate General took it casually.
Yeah, the office of the Advocate General ought to have informed.
The query was not properly answered.
Yes, that's why, lordship. And for that, my lord, he has sought apology that he has directly, my lord, communicated to
No, we will not tolerate. He is of the rank of Deputy Commissioner. He doesn't know business of how to contact with the office of the Advocate General or office of this court.
That mistake has been committed,
What
your
mistake?
lordship. That mistake has been committed. But, my lord, your lordship.
At the same time, look at the attitude of the office of the Advocate General. Is it not necessary to make arrangement? To obtain a copy and ask him to file his objection or written statement?
That is there, your lordship. Lord,
What that is there?
for that,
Sir,
lord,
you are appearing in High Court, sir.
yes, sir. And that's why the specific language used the majesty. That's why.
Sir, he has no business to contact our office, sir. Office
Yes.
means Patna High Court.
Agree, your lordship, 100%, lord. As a counsel, lord.
Yes, take the. So magistrate is present in the court. To stop. It is submitted that he has made communication to office of this court, in particularly office of the assistant registrar within brackets, Patna High Court, on the score that they were not in the receipt of LPA papers, and further when he had contacted the office of the Advocate General, in the office of the Advocate General misguided him, stating that they are not in receipt of LPA and it has not been allotted to any particular advocate. In this backdrop, District Magistrate has communicated with the office of the Assistant Registrar Civil within Patna High Court. In all fairness, office of the Advocate General, as and when District Magistrate contacted the concerned person in the office of the Advocate General should have made necessary arrangement in getting LPA papers and further allotment to a particular advocate and further filing of a statement of objection further filing of counter affidavit should have been arranged to stop. On the other hand, Office of the Advocate General is shirking their responsibility in not enabling the district magistrate to file counter affidavit through the Office of the Advocate General to stop the aforesaid action on the part of the district magistrate as well as the Office of the Advocate General is not fair for the reasons that in a litigation, whenever a notice is issued to a particular party, he has no business to contact, he has no business to file his counter affidavit through the to the office of the Assistant Registrar within bracket Civil Patna High Court instead of through the office of the Advocate General. From here afterwards, hope district magistrate will take necessary steps in such a matter. Yes, what is on merit? Who is appearing for
If your lordship, kindly see the order, your lordship. Your lordship has further been pleased to direct my lord for conducting inquiry regarding the veracity and the experience certificate.
Where is the report?
With the counter affidavit, your lordship, and your lordship will kindly see my lord for that matter, your lordship. Order dated 26/7/22. Third paragraph. District Magistrate Darbhanga is hereby directed to ascertain whether the appellant had 5 years of experience with reference to Annexure 4 and 5 obtained in Bapu Bal Vikas Mahila Kalyan Society or not. He is also hereby directed to ascertain genuineness of the experience certificate issued by the aforesaid society dated 10/6/16 with any corroborative material so as to come to the conclusion that the appellant had prescribed experience qualification for the purpose of senior research officer disaster management professional, and in compliance thereof, your lordship, if your lordship will see
Where is the report?
Para 7, report, my lord, your lordship will find a committee was constituted in compliance of the Honorable Court's order, and that your lordship will find at page 15, Annexure A at page 15, your lordship, and thereafter, my lord, the committee inquired, and thereafter at page 16, my lord, the report has been submitted, and at page 17 at the bottom, although it is in Hindi, my lord, it has been at page 17, your lord.
whether district magistrate has had interaction with the Bapu Bal Vikas Mahila Kalyan Society?
No.
Then how did he arrive?
Lalit, kindly see, my lord, page 15, Annexure A, my lord, speaks of constitution of inquiry committee, my lord, of 4 persons.
The comment मंतव्य जो है पेज 17 पर लास्ट 4 लाइंस they had contacted the secretary of the Bapu Bal Vikas.
That inquiry committee.
But I asked you, you said no.